From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 41 of 2025 NECO is on surface area of a sphere. We are asked to calculate the surface area of a sphere with radius 3.5. It's just for you to recall the formula. Surface area of a sphere as 4 pi r square. And so you substitute your pi and r. 4 times 22 over 7 times 3.5 times 3.5. 3.5 here is 2. 2 here is 2. So we have 44 times 3.5. So this is like saying 44 times 7 over 2. And so 2 here is 22. And 22 times 7 is 154 centimeter square. That's D. Thank you for watching.